So, what is the freedom of speech covered under the First Amendment? This is perhaps the broadest protection under the First Amendment because generally it will cover any type of expression, any physical movements, creations, representations, etc. Anything that is a communication in that way is protected under the First Amendment. And the government has to have a compelling reason to in any way infringe upon that. Now, that being said, there are some types of speech that have been determined that they have limited protection or no protection. Now, generally, unprotected speech is obscene speech, and we'll talk more about that in a separate video. Fighting words or words that are likely to incite immediate violence. And then previously, there were numerous types of limited protection speech that was commercial speech, political speech, and things of that nature. And we'll talk about those separately as well. But the general understanding is that any form of expression that could potentially be a form of communication falls under the freedom of speech and is generally protected against limitation or infringement by the government without a compelling reason.